Hi, welcome back to another new video. This is Kaisar from rankninza.com. Today I'll show you how you can track e-commerce conversion for Google Ads using server side. In the previous video, I have shown you how to track e-commerce conversion using browser side, and in this tutorial I will show you how to track using server side. If you need any help regarding digital marketing, social media advertising, and e-commerce service, you can contact with me. You will find my contact details in the video description below. So first see why we need server-side tracking. From the update of iOS 14.5, iOS has decided not to share their user data with third party. So when a user browses a website using browser in iOS platform, then the website cannot pass the data to third party like Google Analytics or Facebook and other advertising platform. For preventing this issue, now a new scenario comes, that is server side tracking. Here the data first go to web, a cloud server from the website, then it go to Google Analytics or Facebook. So after the iOS 14 update, most of the browser has been implementing this one. So it is better to implement both side tracking to ensure the data accuracy. Alright, it is very simple. For understanding this video, you have to check this video first, because here I have connected the server side container with the cloud server Stape, and I had shown step-by-step tutorial in this video, and this is the reason this video is a long. All right, now just this is a very simple thing. Just create a new tag from server container, and the tag type is Google Ads conversion tagging. The conversion ID, you will find it, the conversion I have already created here, and here is the conversion ID, and the conversion level, and it is asking for conversion value. Conversion value will come from the data layer. It is under e-commerce.value. So e-commerce.value, and the currency code is from the data layer. It is e-commerce.currency. Now click this include user provided data, and the trigger. When this will be triggered, it will be triggered when the user make a purchase. So I am creating a new trigger, and the trigger is purchase trigger, and custom event name is purchase. Here check the data layer. Here is the event name purchase, and now click save. Right, now give it a name, that is GAds SS, that is server side conversion tracking. Now save it and submit it. Let me open the web container in a new tab so that we can test both at the same time. Click preview. Here also click preview. Connect. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will inspire me a lot to create more useful video for you. It is still loading. Let's wait for some time. Okay, now make a purchase from the website. Where it is? Where is the website? Here it is. Cart, add to cart, to cart, checkout, and place order. Look here, the server side conversion tracking has been fired, and in the browser side conversion tracking also fired. So if you face any issue, you can write a comment in the video. So let's bye for today. Thank you.